ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादम् शङ्करम् लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दम् परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परम् पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधेर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तककेशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानम् मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजम् कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकम् करोति वाचालम् पङ्गुम् लङ्घयते गिरिम् यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम् देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः।
ॐ श्री परमात्मने
परमात्मने नमः।
अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः।
अथ चतुर्थोऽध्यायः।
भगवता उक्तं त्रयस्त्रिंशत्तमश्लोके सर्वं कर्माखिलं पार्थ ज्ञाने परिसमाप्यते इति ज्ञानस्य प्रशंसां कृतवान् भगवान्। किन्तु ज्ञानस्य उपायः कः इति पृच्छेत् तदुत्तरार्थं तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः इति ज्ञानस्य उपायः, ज्ञानप्राप्ति उपायः उक्तम्। ज्ञानेन किं प्रयोजनं तदपि उक्तम्। मोहनिवृत्तिः, भयनिवृत्तिः, सर्वं ज्ञानप्लवेन एव वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि इति गतश्लोके उक्तम्। ज्ञानेन पापेभ्यः पापकृत्तमः चेदपि त्वं ज्ञानप्लवेन सन्तरिष्यसि, वृजिनं सन्तरिष्यसि इति गतश्लोके भगवता उक्तम्। कथं ज्ञानं नाशयति सर्वाणि पापानि इति पृच्छेत् तस्य उत्तरं सदृष्टान्तं भगवता अस्मिन् श्लोके उच्यते। श्लोकार्थं भाषितगीतं गतवर्गे दृष्टवन्तः। श्लोकः एतावत् भवति। पुनः एकवारं दृष्ट्वा सारांशं दृष्ट्वा अग्रिमश्लोकं पठामः। श्लोक नंबर 37। यथैधांसि समिद्धोऽग्निर्भस्मसात् कुरुतेऽर्जुन
यथैधांसि
यथैधांसि
समिद्धोऽग्निर्भस्मसात्
समिद्धोऽग्निर्भस्मसात्
कुरुतेऽर्जुन
कुरुतेऽर्जुन
ज्ञानाग्निसर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा।
ज्ञानाग्निः
सर्वकर्माणि
भस्मसात्
भस्मसात्
कुरुते
कुरुते
तथा।
तथा।
यथा तथा, यथा इति प्रथमश्लोके दृष्टान्तः उक्तः। द्वितीयवाक्ये दाष्टान्तम् उक्तः, दाष्टान्तः उक्तः। यथा एधांसि, एधांसि इति काष्ठानि, सम्यक् इद्धः दीप्तः अग्निः यथा भस्मसात् कुरुते भस्मीभावं कुरुते तद्वत् ज्ञानं ज्ञानाग्निः ज्ञानमेव अग्निः ज्ञानाग्निः ज्ञानाग्निः सर्वकर्माणि कर्माणि संचितकर्माणि वा आगामि कर्माणि वा ज्ञान उत्पत्तेः प्राक् ज्ञान उत्पत्तेः पश्चात् अपि अस्मिन् जन्मनि यानि कर्माणि कृतानि तानि सर्वाणि कर्मफलानि कर्माणि इत्युक्ते फलानि सर्वाणि भस्मसात् कुरुते प्रारब्धस्य प्रारब्धमपि कर्म एव किन्तु प्रवृत्तफलात् फलत्वात् प्रारब्धं तु प्रवृत्तत्वात् उपभोगेन एव क्षीयते इति उक्तम् अस्ति कर्म येन कर्मणा शरीरम् आरब्धं तत् प्रवृत्तफलत्वात् ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड प्रवृत्तफलत्वात् तः भोगेन एव उपभोगेन एव क्षीयते तेन ज्ञानी न कोऽपि क्लिष्टः न भवति कर्म तु शरीरस्य कर्म तु शरीरस्य एव कर्म न तु आत्मनः अहम् आत्मा इति ज्ञानेन शरीर अभिमानरहितः ज्ञानी प्रारब्धेन अपि किमपि क्लिष्टं न अनुभवति किन्तु प्रारब्धम् अस्ति एव प्रारब्धकर्म अस्ति एव यावत् कालं प्रारब्धः वर्तते तावत् शरीरमपि वर्तते प्रारब्धम् अनुभूय उपभोगेन एव क्षीयते इति उक्तम् अतः यानि अप्रवृत्तफलानि ज्ञान उत्पत्तेः प्राक् कृतानि ज्ञानसहभावीनि च कर्माणि अतीत अनेक जन्म कृतानि सचितकर्माणि कृतानि तानि सर्वाणि भस्मसात् कुरुते all karma will turn to ashes no karma left out for पुनर्जन्म पुनर्जन्मनः कारणं भवति कर्म कर्म अभावत्वात् शरीरपतनान्तरं ज्ञानिनः पुनर्जन्म न भवति विदेहमुक्तः भवति जीवन्येव मुक्तः तदेव ज्ञानफलं शरीरपतनान्तरं विदेहमुक्तः भवति इति श्लोकार्थं दृष्टवन्तः अद्य इदानीं गीताप्रियबोधम् महामेरुं लङ्घयतः वालुकाकनलङ्घनवत् अपार पापार्णवं हरतः तव भीष्मादिवदज पाप पल्वल तरणम् अविचार्यम् एव अतः धर्म धर्म तत्कार्य महार्णवं तर्तुम् इच्छतः ज्ञानम् एव सम्पादनीयम् तेनैव विद्वान् शतकोटि कल्पार्जितं सर्वं पापं तरति अत्र शङ्करानन्दः सम्बन्धभाष्ये वदति किं वदति महामेरुं लङ्घयतः शत्रन्ता लङ्घयत cause to transgress cross to jump महामेरुं लङ्घयतः Baluka kana langanavat. Baluka is sand particle. Kana particle. Baluka is sand. Langanavat. As a sand particle, small particle, by just in the hair, it just easily it transgresses. Langanavat. Apara papa arnavam. Shoreless, apara, endless. Papa arnavam. Arnavam is ocean. The ocean of papa, which is shoreless. Tarataha, Shatranta again. Taratah, Shashti, Vibhakti. Taranto, Tarantaha. Tarataha, Tava, for you, when you can, like a small particle, you can just cross over the Mahameru. And what to talk about the Bhishmadi Vadaja. Vadaja is Vadena Jatam. Vadaja, that Papa. That is Palvala Taranam. Palvala is small lake pond. It is just crossing like a lake. When you can cross over the Mahameru, then what to talk about crossing the small pond? It's all comparison done to Papa. So Bhishmadi Vadaja Papa Palvala Taranam Avicharyam need not be discussed, need not be analyzed at all. You can easily cross over. That is the idea. Ataha, therefore, Dharma Adharma Tatkarya Maharnavam Taratam Nichataha Papa Punya. Dharma is Punya, Adharma Papa. Papa Punya Tatkarya, the resultant of that, that is Janma Ityadi. That Maharnavam, the huge ocean. Taratam Ichataha, desiring to cross over. For that, the one who desires to cross over, Taratam Ichataha, again Shatranta. Jnanam eva sampadiniyam. Jnanam alone should be accomplished. Tenaiva, by that alone, Vidwan, Jnani, Shatakoti Kalparjitam. Shatakoti, Janmani, Kalpe, Kalpeshu, Arjitam, Sampaditam, Sarvam Papam Tarati. Crossovers all the Papa. Tatacha, Shutihi, Nainam Papma Tarati, Sarvam Papmanam Tarati, iti. Sarvam Papmanam Tarati, iti Shutihi api vadati. Tata, iti Samudra Tarane, Naukavat, crossing over the ocean of samsara, like a boat. Jnanam, Naukavati Jnanam, Papa Nibarghane, Bahukalam na apekshate. Papa Nibarghane, Bahukalam na apekshate. To cross over this ocean of samsara, it will not take much time. To cross over the samsara, Bahukalam na apekshate. Therefore, it is easily crossed over. Kintu kshanena eva, in a moment, sarvam papam vidvamsayati, all papa will, jnanam will destroy. Iti sadrishtantam upapadayati. Bhagavan presents with sadrishtanta, drishtantena saha, with an example. Yataidhamsi samidognihi, basmasat kurute arjuna, jnanagni sarvakarmani, basmasat kurute tata iti. Yata iti samigdaha क्षुद्र काष्ठे ही प्रज्वलेन प्रवृद्धः अग्निः एधांसि काष्ठानि क्षणेन भस्मसात् कुरुते यथा सम्यक् इद्धः वेल किंडल क्षुद्र काष्ठे ही प्रज्वलेन प्रवृद्धः अग्निः अग्नि which is well kindled by क्षुद्र काष्ठा a small wood by the small firewood the fire in the firewood is small. That by that what happens? The Edamsi, the Kashtani, the huge, the pile of wood. In a moment, by the small Agni, Shanena, the moment Basmasat Kurate, turn to ashes. Yata, just as like that. Tata Samiddaha Nirantara Dhyana Samadhi Dhyana Samadhi Dhyana Nididhyasana Samadhi Nishta. Nididhyasanam Samadhi is also for Nishta. प्रवृत्तितः ज्ञानाग्निः ज्ञानम् उक्तं लक्षणं तदेव अग्निः ज्ञानाग्निः. Similarly, सम्यक् इद्धः प्रवर्तितः ज्ञानाग्निः, the ज्ञानाग्नि which is well kindled. How? By nirantara, no gap, constantly, always committing oneself to nididhyasanam, shavana, manana, nididhyasanam and samadhi abhyasa. By that pravatitaha, the one who engages in that jnanagnihi, the fire of knowledge, Why it is called Jnana Mukta Lakshanam? That is the Agni. That is the Upamanam. Therefore, Tadeva Jnanati, Jnanameva Agni, Jnana Agni. Sarvani Karmani, Sarvani Punya Papa Mishra Rupani Karmani. Not only Papa. As Papa, Punya is also equally a Bandha Hetu. Bandha Hetutvat, Punyam api. Punya Karmani api. Therefore, Sarvani Punya Papa Mishra Rupani. In fact, Manushya Janma is due to mixture of Punya Papa. Now, no Janma required. What to talk about Manushya Janma? Not only Kshudra Janma, even Deva Janma is not required. Then what to talk about Manushya Janma? So, all Karmani, Punyam, Papam, everything. Sarvani Karmani, it Basmasat Kurute, Jnanagni. Yadva or Prarabdha Karmanaha, Bogaika Nashiyatvat. Bogena Yeva Nashyatvad. Only by Boga Prarabdha Karma is destroyed. Therefore, Tadvina, accepting that. Jnanotpattehi, Jnanasya Utpattihi, Jnana Utpattehi, Panchami. Jnana Utpattehi, before the arisal of Jnanam. Purva Bhavini, Paschat Bhavini, the karma which is done before and after. And also Bhagujanma Sanchitani, Shet, Evam Rupani, Sarvani Karmani. That is Sanchita Karmani, Bhagujanma Sanchitani, karma which has been accumulated in so many janmas. The Evam Rupani Sarva Karmani, accepting Prarabdha Karma, Basmasat Karoti, Shanat Basmi Karoti. The moment it turns to ashes. Jnanam turns everything into ashes. Yata, like what? Yata, the author here, Shankara Andaha gives an example. Tharu Jnanam, Tat Swarupa, Avaraka, Ajnana, Nivartanena Saha, Shaura Bhutadim, Brahmam Vidvamsya, Brahmakaryam Cha Vidvamsayati, Tata. Like Staru Jnanam, a post is mistaken for a thief in a dark, in a dark place. A post is taken for a thief. Adhyasa, Brahma. Tat Swarupa Avaraka Jnana Nivartanena. But what is there is only the star with a post, a pillar. When the pillar Jnana, Swarupa, Avaraka Jnana, that post is mistaken for a thief. So therefore, there is a Avarana, there is Achadaram, there is a cover. That Avaraka Jnana Nivartanena, by the removal of that wrong knowledge, that cover, Swarupa Jnanam, that is, it is a post, iti Jnanam Yatha, Bhavati, then Saha, Chaura Bhutadim, Brahma, that's the Brahma, the delusion that it is a thief, removing that, destroying that Brahma, Brahma Karyam Cha Vidvayamsi, that the person is afraid, thinking that it will be a thief. So first is the knowledge that it is not a thief, it is a post, so the Brahma is removed, and Brahma Karyam, the fear also is removed. Brahma Karyam, fear, etc. Samsara, whatever it is, Brahma Karyam, whatever the product of delusion. There is fear of hurt, there is fear of life, survival, Brahma Karyam, Sarvam Vidvamsayati. Tata, similarly, Nishkriya Brahmatmatva Jnanam api. Similarly, Brahma, so Atma, Brahmatma, which is Nishkriyaha. So Nishkriya Brahmatva Jnanam, Atma Jnanam, Brahma Jnanam, Tad Avaraka Ajnana Nivartanena Saha, removing that Avarana, the cover, Ajnana Nivartanena. Ajnana is a cover, wrong knowledge. The Avaraka Ajnana Nivartanena Saha, Vidushaha for a Jnani, Tad Udbhavita Kartutra Brahmam Vidvamsya. Tad Udbhavita, because of Ajnanam, there is a Kartrutvam, therefore Udbhavita, Kartrutva Brahmam, delusion, which is Kartrutvam, the status of being a Karta, that is a delusion, that is due to Tad Udbhavita, Ajnana Udbhavita, Tam Vidvamsya, destroying that. Not only that, Jnanam, not only destroying Ajnanam, Tad Sambhavitani Sarvani Karmani Cha Sadhyaha Nirmulayati. Because of Ajnanam, there is the result, but Karyam, Sambhavitani, Sarvani Karmani, Sarvani, everything, the product of Ajnanam. Product of Ajnanam is Kartrutvam, Akam Karta Bhokta iti, therefore there is Punya Papa, therefore Punajanma, therefore everything. Sadhyaha, that immediately Nirmalayati, Nashayati, iti. सर्वदा निष्क्रियः एव अहम् अस्मि इति एव अस्मि इति एवं विज्ञानमन्त विद्वांसं करोति निष्क्रिय ब्रह्मात्मत्वज्ञानम् इत्यर्थः. So what does निष्क्रिय ब्रह्मात्मत्वज्ञानम does? It always सर्वदा निष्क्रिय एहम्, always aham atma निष्क्रियः, without any karma, without any action. इति विज्ञानवन्तं विद्वांसं करोति. Iti, the one who knows makes him a jnani, the knower of that. Then nanu jnanasya jnana nivritti eva karyam chediti. Na, for a jnanam removes another jnanam. Jnanasya jnana nivritti eva karyam iti chet. Na, a purvapakshi, a doubt, otherwise a doubt. Jnana nivritti is the karya. By a jnanam, there is nivritti of jnana. The thing is not known. So when jnanam arises, it is known. That alone is a karya. Like the author himself says, Brahmadi nivrittehe api tat karya paryavasanat ekasyaha kriyayaha aneka karya karitva darshanat. Brahmadi nivrittehe api, when Brahma etc. nivrittehe api tat karya paryavasanat kriyayaha aneka karya karitva darshanat. When Brahma etc. Brahmadi nivrittehe jnanena Brahmadi nivrittehi bhavati. Okay. Then tat karya. What karya? The karya or ajnana nivritti. Brahma is due to ajnana nivritti, but tat karya paryavasanat ekasyaha kriyayaha aneka karya karitva darshanat. There is, the products are many. Ajnanam with regard to Atma. But ajnana karyam, tat karyam, Brahmadi nivrittehe api, even when the nivritti, the removal of Brahma due to jnanam happens, that karya, the resultant of that karyatva, paryavasanat, ekasyaha kriyayaha aneka karya karitva darshanat. For an action, ekasyaha, for one action, there are ekasyaha kriyayaha, for an action, aneka karya karitva darshanat. The results are many. For one action, there, the action is aneka karya. Karya, the palam, the result. Karya to darshanat. There is the aneka karya, the results are many. That the results, the products are many. Karya to darshanat. How you say? You give an example. Ita Brahmastra patasya ravana pakshachedaha prana nirgamaha deha patasya karyam bhavati yatadvat. Brahmastrena patasya ravana pakshachedaha. Ravana is killed by Brahmastra. Ravana is shot by Brahmastra. Now, after that, what will happen? Prana nirgamaha, prana leaves the body. Then there is falling of the shariram on the ground. These are the karya. So Ravana Vaksha Chedaha, when the Ravana Vaksha, the chest is pierced by the Brahmastra. Then what is the resultant of that? Prana Nirgamaha, the leaving of the prana, and Deha Pataha cha karyam bhavati. So one action is just releasing the arrow and shooting the Ravana. That is one action. But that ekasyaha kriyayaha aneka karya to darshanat. Aneka karyam is what? That is prana nirgamaha, the prana leaves the shariram and there is falling of the shariram on the ground. That's what aneka karyatva darshanat. So ekasyaha kriyayaha, for piercing, for shooting the Ravana just with an arrow, that the results are aneka. Prana nirgamaha, dehapataha, karyam, bhavati tadvat. Tadvat. Similarly, Brahmadi nivrittehe api, tad karya paryavasanat, one ekasyaha kriyayaha, aneka karyatva darshanavasti. Darshanat. That is a hetu. It gives an example. Nanu karma matrasya api अज्ञान कार्यत्वे सिद्धे कारणनाशात् प्रारब्धस्यापि संचितादिवत् निवृत्तिः स्यात् एव इति चेत् न कर्ममात्रस्य अपि अज्ञान कार्यत्वे सिद्धे कारणनाशात् प्रारब्धस्यापि संचितादिवत् निवृत्तिः कर्म इज ड्यू टू अज्ञानम अज्ञान कार्यम कर्म. So ajnana karyatve siddhe karma matrasya karma is due to ajnanam siddhe. When that is so, when the karanam, that is ajnanam, is removed, then prarabdha also, like sanchita karma, should be destroyed. Nivrittihi prarabdhasyapi nivrittihi bhavet syat iti eva chet. No, prarabdha will not be destroyed. Why? Pravritta palatvat. Because it has already started producing result. Pravritta palatva tasya nivrittihi anupapattehe. It is not tenable for prarabdha to get destroyed. Prarabdhasya nivrittihi is not tenable. Sanchita karma nivrittihi jnanotpattehe prak or paschat yani karmani kritani tesham nivrittihi possible. But pravritta palatvat prarabdhasya nivrittihi na bhavati. That is not tenable. Example is given by Acharya. Yata duktehe पूर्वभाविनः पश्चाद्भाविनः अपि अन्नस्य त्यागः उपपद्यते न तथा भुक्त अन्नस्य प्रवृत्तफलत्वात् तथा एव आरब्धकर्मणः अपि त्यागः, the giving up of bhuktehe, for the one who has consumed, for the one who consumes annam. Before eating he cannot give up, after eating also he cannot give up. So there is a tyaga, annasya tyaga, giving up of food. Bhukta annasya, the anna which is consumed. Once it is consumed, then it will pravritta palatvat. The result will be that anna is consumed. Therefore, after eating, you cannot give up. Before eating, there is no tyaga because you have not eaten up. And after eating, also, tyaga, annasya tyaga now upapadyate. Sorry. पूर्वभाविनः पश्चाद्भाविनः अपि अन्नस्य त्यागः उपपद्यते न तथा भुक्तान्नस्य. So na tata should be connected here. Before eating he can give up anna, and after paschadbhavinaha, or after, hence annasya tyaga bhavati. But anna is already taken, it's eaten. Therefore it will produce result. Similarly, prarabdha karma also, already it has bhukta annasya. Bhukta annasya pravritta palatvat. The anna which is consumed, that is giving energy, that retains, that makes a prana function. Prana functions because of the anna which is consumed. So like a prarabdha. Suppose if you decide not to take food anymore, tyaga, anna tyaga, or paschat, or later, henceforth, it will not take annam. That is vrata, the form of vrata, etc. That is fine. But anna which is consumed, anna already which is consumed, that you cannot prevent that from giving energy to the body. That you cannot prevent from sustaining the prana, the shariram. So therefore, pravritta palatva, similarly, prarabdha karma also, arabdha karmanaha api. Therefore, prarabdha karma is like the annam which is already consumed. So till the it gives energy, strength. Sharira will be active, prana will be active. So, tadvat only arabdha karma, prarabdha karma also. ननु कार्यस्य सद्भावे कारणस्यापि सद्भावः अंगीकर्तव्यः इति चेतना. Because karya is there, therefore karanam also is there. It means ajnanam also is there. Karya is the sharira, prarabdha karma. Prarabdha karma is there. How do you know prarabdha karma is there? Because the shariram is there. Therefore, karyasya sadbhave, therefore karanam also is there, not destroyed. Iti chet, iti angikartavya shouldn't we say, should be accepted? If we say, no, that is also not correct. Karana abhave api karyabhasa darshanat. Even when karanam is not there, there is karya abhasa darshanat. There is a karya darshanat. Niyama avyavastite. Sorry, aniyama darshanat. Darshana tan tat niyama avyavastite. Karana abhave api karya bhasa darshanat. Karya abhasa darshanat. Even when karanam, that is ajnanam is not there, ajnana is just the jnana. Therefore, karana abhave api karya abhasa darshanat, that is a karya abhasa darshanat, tan niyama avyavastite. Yata, you use an example. Yata jalabuddho nashtayamapi marau पुनर्जल आभास प्रतीतेः सत्यत्व बुद्धि अभावे अपि प्रतिच्छायादो व्यवहार दर्शनात् तथा जलबुद्धो नष्टायामपि. Even when the jalabuddhi, the mirage water, marau, mirage water is known as mirage. You know it as a mirage. There's no water. So jalabuddhi with regard to the mirage water, ashtayamapi, but jala you'll continue to see. Punarjala abhasa pratitehe. Satyatva buddhi abhave api. With regard to the mirage water, there is no satyatva buddhi. But pratichayado, in every pratichaya, every reflection, shade, we see vyavahara darshanat. In vyavahara, it is seen. Because you don't have jala buddhi in maro, doesn't mean you will not see jalam in mirage water. It's called mirage water. Because you know that doesn't disappear. It continues to be abhasaha, karya abhasaha, karana abhave api karya abhasa darshanat. Therefore, there is no such niyama that in the absence of karana, karya will not be there. It is not like that. Example is this, jala buddhau ashtayamapi maro punaha jala abhasa pratitihi asti eva tadvat vyavahare drishyate eva vyavahara darshanat. Tata similarly, देहादि आत्मत्व सत्य देहादि आत्मत्व सत्यत्व ममत्व बुद्धि अभावे अपि. Similarly, with regard to deha atma iti, that buddhi, satyatva buddhi, mamatva buddhi, even though it is not there with regard to deha, vidushaha, for vidusha, karma tat phala abhasa upapattehe. For jnani, the karma, that is prarabdha karma, and tat phala abhasaha is tenable. उपपत्तेः एव कर्म तत्फल आभासः उपपत्तेः एव, that is tenable. So even though the jnani doesn't have atmattva buddhi in deha, but deha continues because of prarabdha karma, and it has to produce its result. Therefore, it is tenable only. Ataha, therefore, yuktam, it is proper, nishkriya brahmatva vijnanasya samadhina apratibhaddhatam prapitasya avidya nishesha nirmulakatvam. So avidya nishesha nirmulakatvam siddham. Therefore, it is siddham, it is proper. There is complete removal of the avidya, which has the status of the mula, the root for samsara. Avidya Nishesha, without any Shesha, Nirmulakatvam, destroyer. Jnanam as a status of, sorry, not Mula is not root. Nirmulaka is destruction. Status of, we talking about Nishkriya Brahmatma Jnanam. So Avidya, Nishesha Nirmulakatvam. Nirmulakatvam asti. Kasya Nishkriya Brahmatma Vijnanasya. Nishkriya Atma Brahma, which is Brahma Chasav Atma, and it is Nishkriyaha, therefore knowledge of that is Jnanam. Avidya Nirmishesha Nirmulakatvam asti. So Jnanasya Samadhina Apratipadita, by Samadhi, Abhyasa, by Samadhi, by Shravanamar Nididhyasana, by that Apratibaddhatam, there is no Pratibadda, there is no obstruction. Prapitasya, gained what? The Jnanasya, Jnanam which is without any obstacle, that Jnanam gained. There will be Avidya Nishesha Nirmulakatvam. There will be complete Nirmula of Avidya. So Jnanam as a status of removal of Ajnanam completely. That is Yuktam, that is tenable. Not because the Sharira continues, therefore Karanasya, Abhave, Karanasya, the Karana, Karya is there, therefore Karanam is there, that we cannot say. Karya is there, therefore Karanam, the Karanam is Avidya, Avidya continues, we cannot say. Therefore, only it is said, Nishkriya Brahmata Vijnanasya, Avidya, Nishesha Avidya, Nirmulakatvam, Yuktam. It is proper to say that Jnanam completely destroys, without any Shesha, without any leftover, it completely destroys Ajnanam. Nirmulayati. The status of being the Nirmula, the root also is destroyed, the very root. Nirmulakatvam, Nirmulayati, Nashayati. Complete destroyer along with its root, without any Shesha. The Jnanam has that status. Therefore, that is proper. That is what Bhagavan said. Prasvasat kurute iti, that is proper. Anyata, to ayam gataha iti uktamatre, Brahma avaraka ajnana sadbhava prasangaha. Otherwise, what will happen? Ayam gataha iti uktamatre. This is a part. Uktimatre, Brahma avaraka ajnana sadbhava prasangaha. Everything is Brahma. What is Gata? So Ayam Gataha iti uktimatre. There will be, otherwise what will happen? If this is not there, then Brahma avaraka ajnana sadbhava prasangaha. There will be again arising of this ajnanam, caused due to the covering of Brahma jnanam. Otherwise, if Nirmulakatvam is not there, then Sarvatra Brahma Drishti will not be there. Then there will be appreciation of individual thing. I am Gataha, I am this. Not everything is Brahma. Therefore, Tasmat Sarvam Idam Aham Cha Brahma Eva iti Vijnanam. Therefore, everything is myself iti, that Jnanam, Vijnanam, Sarvam Ajnanam, Sarvam Nirmulayati. Completely destroys all the Ajnanam. Nirmulayati Eva Sakaryam. Nirmulayati Eva Sakaryam iti Siddham. Along with this result. Along with the result, what? Ajnana Karyam. So Ajnanam, Ajnana Karyam, Sakaryam, Nirmulayati iti Siddham. For Jnani, he sees everything. For his, everything is Varishwara, Brahma. In his vision, everything is Ishvara. So there, Ayam Gataha, iti Gatat Buddhi Nati, Gate, Brahma Buddhi. Everything is Brahma. Vyavahara, Gataha, all those things. But he knows it is Brahma. Therefore, there will not be again the covering of his Brahma Jnana. So if Nishesha Nirmulatkatvam is not there for the Jnanam, then again this Ajnanam will pop up. Therefore, Ajnana sadbhava prasangaha bhavati. If nirmula kattvam is not there for Brahmatma Vijnana Jnanasya, therefore Sarvamidam Aham Brahma iti, that Vijnanam Ajnanam Sarvam Nirmulayati, completely destroys the Ajnanam, and along with the Ajnana Karya Sakaryam iti Siddham is established. The Brahmanam iti Shankaranandiyam. The next shloka. That being so, then the next shloka, Bhagavan says, so Ajnanam, since it completely destroy, Ajnanam is completely destroyed by Jnanam, so therefore, and also Bhagavan compared that to Agni, so for what else can be the best purifier than Jnanam? Water purifies, water is purifier. There are many pilgrimage places, Ganga Sthanam, Kumbha Sthanam purifies, and air also purifier, Vayu. All these are purifier at different levels. There are different types of mala, impurity, physical impurity, mental impurity, different impurities. But the impurity which causes samsara is ajnana. Other mala can be washed off by another thing. Vyavahara we do. Like we can wash. Raga dvesha is a mala. That is washed off by karma yoga. Chitta vikshepa is that is also another mala, scattering of the mind, that is no focus. That is removed by upasana, chitta naischalyam. All these are fine, but these will not make you stainless, free from stains. Why? Because the ultimate stain is ajnana. That stain will be there. For that to go, the only purifier is jnanam. Therefore, it is the ultimate purifier. Therefore, there is no purifier than jnanam. So that is presented in the next shloka. Let us read. Yataha evam ataha
यतः एवम् अतः
nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramikha vidyate
न हि ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रमिह विद्यते
तत्स्वयं योग संसिद्धः कालेनात्मनि विन्दति
तत्स्वयं योगसंसिद्धः
कालेनात्मनि
कालेनात्मनि विन्दति
विन्दति
यतः अतः, since this is so, यतः यस्मात् कारणात्, एवं यस्मात् कारणात्, अतः अस्मात्, therefore, अस्मात् is अतः, therefore, यतः is karanam. For this reason, therefore, what? For which reason, therefore? That is, jnanam destroys what? Karmani. Sarvani karmani bhasmasat kurute. Sanchita karmani agami karmani. Prarabdha is only for the shariram, not for the jnani, who is abhivana with atma. That only we can say jnana. Prarabdha continues. That is only from the standpoint of the people, not from the standpoint of jnani. Therefore, we say sarvani karmani. So, since jnanam destroys all the karmani, bhasmasat kurute, ataha, therefore, the jnanam destroys, therefore jnanam must be the greatest purifier. The ultimate ajnanam, the ultimate impurity being ajnanam, the ultimate purifier is jnanam. Therefore, jnanena sadrisham pavitram iha na vidyate. Glorifies knowledge. The one glorifies knowledge. Iha asmin loke. Jnanena sadrisham. Equivalent to jnanam. Pavitram. Iha na vidyate. There is nothing equivalent to knowledge. Nahi vidyate. No purifier equivalent to the knowledge. Knowledge is the greatest purifier. Pavitram. The word pavitram, which is pudatu, punati, nth conjugation. And the pratyaya is itra pratyaya. Itra is a Krit Pratyaya. There is a sutra. Uvaha Sanyaya. You can check later. 32185. In fact, there is a Itra is a Pratyaya coming from the previous sutra. Arti Lu Dhu Su Khana Sahachara Itraha. 32184. There are some dhatus are mentioned. Lunj dhatu, ched, du, all those dhatus. Lunj dhatu, du dhatu, shu dhatu. So from that only you get lavitram, davitram, etc. Similarly, for pu dhatu plus itra becomes pavitra. So karanakaraka. Karanakarake arte dhatoho itra pratyam yojagitva pavitra. So it is a purifier. It is a means of purifier. It is a means. There is no purifier greater than knowledge here. So what is the purifier? We are talking about the ajnanam samsara. The samsara, what is the karanam? Ajnanam. Ajnanam, how to purify ajnanam? If antakarana ashuddhi, antakarana has got ashuddhi at different levels. Antakarana balam. So for that we have different purifiers. Japam, etc. purifies. Japa, prayer, snanam, etc. Tapas. All those are purifiers. They remove papa. By japam, also we remove papam, certain papam, and we get shanti also. Similarly, Ganga Snanam, Gita Yatra, etc. They also remove some papam. Makes us, that's why we say purify. Ganga purifies. How does it purify? By removing your papam. But what about the ajnanam, which is the greatest impurity? That cannot be removed by japa, that cannot be removed by any amount of pranayama or Tita Yatra or tapas or whatever it is, or karma. So, therefore, the basic impurity, ajnanam, due to which the samsara is, that can go away only by jnanam. Therefore, jnanam is the greatest purifier. What jnanam does, that cannot be done by any other thing. It doesn't mean that all other things are useless. All other things, they purify at certain purpose. But samsara, which is the greatest impurity, that impurity is destroyed only by jnanam. What is that? What is the greatest impurity? Aham karta, aham bhokta iti. That is ajnanam. That due to that only samsara is. Samsara karanam ajnanam. Therefore, the ajnana nivritti happens only by jnanam. Therefore, jnanam is the greatest purifier, because since ajnanam is the cause for all impurities, so therefore, when for the jnanam which destroys even that ajnanam, therefore it is the greatest purifier. Therefore, nahi jnanena sadrisham. There is no purifier equivalent to jnanam. Iha asmin loke vidyate. Not there. Iti, the jnanam is glorified. Tatsvayam yoga samsiddha kalena atmani vindati. Tat swayam yoga siddha, yoga samsiddha, yogena samyak siddha. Yogena samyak siddha, yogena karma yogena, by karma yoga or any yoga, yoga which helps upasana ityadi, ashtanga yoga also. By that, samyak siddha, swayam samyak siddha, by himself. So samyak siddha, well prepared. The person is well prepared. Antakaranam is well prepared. Antakaranam, which is well prepared by this yoga, karma yoga, upasana ityadi, they are the means. They are the means to prepare the antakaranam for gaining the sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. Then only in sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha jnanam happens. Therefore, all these are the means for jnanam to happen, preparation. Therefore, that atmani kalera vindati. In that antakaranam, in time, the jnanam will happen. Kalena, in course of time. Because preparation itself takes time. Even though we do shravanam, why we complain about not having that freedom, the moksha? Because of pratibandha. Pratibandha is there, therefore, sapratibandha jnanam is Jnanam is there. That is Jnanam with Pratibandha. It is not that Jnanam is not there. Shravanam is done. Therefore, Jnanam is there. But Jnanam is Pratibandha. That is why we require the yoga, karma yoga, upasana, ityadi. Because that gives the that prepares a person, that prepares the antakaranam. And the antakaranam is ready. When Shravanam happens, Mananam, and Nididhyasam, then Nishtha will be there naturally. Therefore, Kalena, in time, means one has to wait, one needs to have patience. Shastram as Pramanam is there, and the teacher is there. So, therefore, Pramata, Pramanam, and Prameya, then why wait? Because the wait is that is the jnanam will take place when the person is ready. Because there are different adhigaris. Manda adhigari, in Manda also there are different categories. Madhyama adhigari, in Madhyama also there are different categories. And Uttama adhigari. Uttama adhigari gets jnanam immediately and becomes free. Whereas Manda adhigari and Madhyama adhigari has to prepare. There are adhigaris only. But there are pratibandha obstacles. That for the removal of obstacles only there is time. Not for Jnanam to happen. When Pramana is operated, Jnanam has to happen. Shastra presents the vision. That Shastra being a Pramanam, when he presents the vision, that the Tattvam, the Jnanam happens. So therefore it is not Shastra dosha, not Guru dosha. It is Pramatra dosha. Pramata has got dosha. The Pramata has got the Mala, Ragadvesha, the Mala. Therefore, that's why in Kalena, Jnanam will happen. Then what one is doing, as should continue to do. One should continue to do the yoga, the preparation. What are the preparation for preparing Antakaranam? In addition to the Shravanam and Vididhyasaram, Shastra, Patanam, will be continued. That is the idea. Therefore, when it is continued, then Kalena, Atmani, the Antakaranam, Vindati, Jnanam is obtained. Jnanam is gained. Jnanam is gained means Jnanam is already gained. There is Nishtha. There will be complete understanding. There will be complete understanding, assimilation of the truth. So Jnanam will happen. So it's a journey. Therefore, the end will happen. When the means are taken care, the end will happen in time. So one should be patient. There should not be any anxiety with regard to the result. Result will come. The more we get clarity, the more we grow, the more will be the clarity. It's a growing clarity, as Swamiji says. Clarity with regard to the truth grows. Every day it grows. That's why Shastra Shravanam should be done every day. It is not one time. If you are Uttamadhigari one time, Tatattamasi iti Vakyam Shutva eva Muktaha Bhavati. That is for Uttamadhigari. Even when taught by Adama Acharya, Uttamadhigari will get Jnanam. Even when taught by Uttama Acharya, even Adhamadhigari will not get Jnanam because Adhamadhigari is not prepared. Therefore, preparation only takes time. But Jnanam doesn't take time because Jnanam is not something which happens. It's not an event. It is there. Only the Avarana Nivritti. The more thicker, the denser the Avaranam is, the more effort is required. That is Avarana, that is Vikshepa. Therefore, these are the Mala, impurities. When these impurities are handled, taken care by Karma Yoga, Upasana, Ashtanga Yoga, whatever the yoga, whatever it is, they help in preparing Antakaranam. Then Jnanam. That is why Yoga Samsiddhaha, Yogena Samyak Siddhaha, the one who is well prepared, that's why by himself, Kalena Atmani Vindati, he knows. He will come to know in time. He knows in time. So, the patience, one needs to have patience. The patience is emphasized. Kalena, in time. One who has in time, who attained the preparedness, the yoga, naturally gains Jnanam. Jnanam we have to supply. Jnanam Atmani Antakarani Vindati. Actually against knowledge. The Jnanam happens only in the mind. Where does it happen? Antakaranam only, all the knowledge happens. Therefore, the person, Yoga Siddha, who has attained preparedness in time, will get Atmajnanam. Therefore, there is time only for preparation, not for Jnanam. Jnanam happens the moment the person is ready. That is the meaning. Bhashyam we will see. We'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadah.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురుజీ.
ధన్యవాదాలు శక్తి.
ధన్యవాదాలు జీ.
धन्यवाद.